Okay, now let's take a look at this error message. This is also a very common message. That means you didn't install libstdc++ library. However, you have libstdc++ library AMD64 version. Okay, what you should do is apt get install libstdc++ i3a6. You need to install this file. Okay, now let's go back to our system again. So env grep vcs. Now we need to undefine this environment variable. This environment variable means that you are using AMD64 version. However, we want to release this environment variable. So we need to type unset VCS target arc. Then you can type this again. There is no such variable. We can do this again. We can run the simulation again. 好，是不是还是出现这个问题？那我就把刚刚那两个都装起来哈。dpkg general grep lv stdc 加，我们就把这两个都装起来。Okay, in order to solve this problem, we need to install these packages. Then we can run simulation again. This time there is no error. Okay, and this is 32-bit version. So basically, we don't need to go through all this. Basically, we can use 64-bit version directly. That will be much more easier. Understand? 我把它画一条斜线啊，我再讲一次。这个32位元的东西很啰嗦，它是不是要装很多乱七八糟的东西，对不对？那因为我们现在的环境已经是原生64位元的环境了，所以我会建议你直接看到我虚线下面有没有？我虚线下面这边是不是直接跑减负我64就可以解决掉这个问题？还有把它设环境变数，这个也可以解决掉这个问题，这样知道吗？而且我们的系统是不是就64位元的了？但是32位元遇到这个问题，你还是可以透过这两个指令。先安装这个函式库跟安装这些东西有没有去把它处理掉？你可以试试看哈。那这样子的话 ，VCS 的安装、设定、跑简单的 Verilog code 我就讲完了。这样了解吗？这样 VCS 我是不是就讲完了？那我武功秘籍给你哈。我这个最终版的武功秘籍给你。那现在时间是42分。所有的人下课之前把它跑完，所有的人下课之前把它跑完哈。